Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 8th September 2021. Here, this is the problem they have given, laptop and Wi-Fi hotspot. So, they have given an input with asterisks, hyphens, hash and the character L. So, the L represents the laptop and star represents the hotspots. We just need to connect uh, or we just need to find the total number of connection that the laptop have with the given restriction. The laptop can connect to the hotspot with respect to no space limit, but whenever it's see a obstacle which is nothing but hash, it can't able to connect further. Like in this case, for the laptop L, we have 3 hotspots and there is no obstacle in between them, right? So we can connect to the 3 points. But for this laptop L, we have 2 star and we have one more hotspot there, but there is a obstacle in between them, right? So we can't able to connect to this one. So we can kind of connect up to this one. So we will get 2, and for this laptop we have only one hotspot without obstacle, so it will be 1, and here we have 0. It's like my laptop. Here we have 3 hotspot and obstacle, here 0, and here we got 5 for this L, and this L also have 5 stars, right, without any obstacle. We don't have to worry about the number of connections. So if it has one more laptop here, that also have 5 hotspots. So that's it guys, that's all about the problem explanation. Let's solve this in a programmatical way. So first we just need to get the input string, right? So what am I going to take a name for that? String equal to input, and we can solve this simply by splitting all those values with respect to hash. Yeah, let me tell that here. Here we have L triple star and one more L and L, sorry, 1 2 3 L star L star. So these are the maximum possibility connection that the each laptop has, right? So we just need to find the number of stars in between them, then it will be fine, right? So we got 3 here, 0 here, 5 and 5. So we just need to print n numbers with respect to the number of L here, and we just need to print the count of stars. So for that, input dot split with respect to hash, and if we do that, we will get a list of thing, right? So we just need to iterate into the list. For in string, we will get separate list. So this time we just need to iterate or find the count of L in between them. Like in this case, here we have 1L. Okay, we'll go with the example. Here we have 1L, 1L, and we have 2 L's, right? So for that, we just make a loop for j in range of I dot count of L. So it will go for the number of L terms, right? So inside this, we just need to print I dot count of star with a custom end space, because they are not need or putting anything in new line, right? They are putting all those values in a space separated manner. So let me put star hyphen 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 L hash star star L L and star hyphen star. String is not defined. Shit.
ஒரு சிறிய புறாவுக்கு போரா பெரிய அக்க போராக அல்லவா இருக்கின்றது.
We are getting 13333. This is because we have a laptop here and that has only one hotspot, and we have 1 2 3 4 laptops with 3 hotspot, and here we have a separate hotspot without a laptop. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow, but question difficulty also getting reduced, and we are not getting proper response because of SKIDMARK, right? So that's it guys, see you soon, bye.